Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Happy October.
Happy
Yes,
October. Here we go.
And
The
it's
month, right?
like gonna be in the 90s today. It's wild.
it's
So
so wild.
crazy weather we're
Okay.
having. So today we're gonna talk about the government shutdown that just happened and maybe how this will affect the process of loans, and then not
Mm,
just if you're getting a government backed loan, but also what if you work in the government and you're not getting
Yeah.
pay stubs, because we know that those have to keep coming into your lender up until closing. So what if you're not getting that? What do you do? This is not going to be a political
No.
video in any way, shape, or form. It's more
just
in
information.
the wake of this, what immediately do we want you to know about, and maybe some things you can like see for the future. So
Yeah.
Laura is gonna be our go-to
Yeah.
person. So
Let's
yeah,
I'll be
answer
the
what if
that,
I'll,
Laura.
I'll be
If
the
I
what
if
if
I have a
spokesperson.
loan with FHA and I'm closing in 2 weeks, or I'm closing today or tomorrow, should I be worried? Am I getting my house?
Good question. I guess I'm the official spokesperson for today. We are getting guidance. We're updated daily, we hope to, but for now, anybody that's in process, you should be fine. So FHA loans, Fannie, Freddie, USDA loans. If you're in process, hopefully your loan officer has updated you already, but right now it's closing as normal unless we receive any type of indication that you as the employee will not be returning to work after the shutdown. That's going to be the most important right now. So have a conversation with your loan officer if you're in process, but you should still be good to go. Other than that, military, active military is still good to go moving forward with closings. And what else? We have another subset of loans that's jumbo loans. We call them non-QM loans, non-qualified loans. So it's anything that Fannie or Freddie, FHA won't do. So think of it as 12-month bank statements, investor loans, DSCR. Those we're still waiting on guidance for. So that's interesting. But I would say if you are an employee that's affected, your income's going to be affected by this shutdown, now is the perfect time to sit down with a budget and review your bills that are coming in. You could qualify for a refinance right now. Use the equity in your home, stay ahead of it, and pay off your credit card debt, pay off those high interest bills so you can give yourself, like, relieve yourself of some stress, some breathing room. And yeah, I would say that that's the best plan moving forward.
Okay. Do you see any, because like you said, like FHA, VA, USDA, these are all government backed loans. So I would
Mhm.
assume that people that are working behind the scenes giving this money are government employees, correct? Maybe I'm wrong.
Um,
Like, do you see any slowdown in like even being able to get the loan, whether I don't work for the government. So
right,
Right.
let's say I'm still getting a paycheck,
right.
but my loan is coming from the government.
Good,
Is that
good
person that's
question.
processing that loan not
Yeah,
at work? Are they furloughed? Is
it
this now
could
there's
be.
3 people dealing with 10,000 loans instead of 300
Sure.
people?
It's amazing. I mean, that's how you find out how it affects every aspect of our life, right? It could very well slow down the process. You're correct, because if we're needing to verify any type of income from the government using transcripts or verifications of employment, that's where I think it could slow down the process. But for now, a lot of things are automated, which helps us. So
Okay.
as long as things are automated and we're still getting the verifications we need, we're right now, the guidance as of today is what I had stated. So
Okay.
yeah, we can touch
Well,
on it. Maybe it might be another a good loan a week from now, or a video a
Yeah.
week from now or 2 weeks from now, just to do a quick, hey, this is where we're at.
This is,
yeah,
yeah,
follow up. We
these
could
are
kind of
the
stick with
changes.
Yeah.
this
Laura
stuff.
does a lot on her TikTok. So if you're not following her on TikTok, you should be, because if she gets those daily updates, I'm sure they're
Yeah.
going to be on there. Subscribe to our page, because we have our schedule out for the month. But we might throw in an extra video or switch some things up if some things start changing and snowballing a little faster. But so, you heard it. I guess for now, we're kind of business as usual.
But
Maybe things could be a little slower in the process, and talk to your
Yeah.
lender if
Newer
you work
loans
for the
maybe.
government. If you're a
Yeah.
government employee, talk to your lender, get some guidance from them.
Yep. That's it.
All right, that's all. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to share this video. So if you have somebody in the buying process that's kind of freaking out about it, maybe this would help calm them down. If you know a government employee that's not working and they're worried, or active military that's worried about their loan, pass this on, share away, subscribe.
And reach out if you have any direct questions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. See you next week.
Have a
Bye.
good day. Bye.